Welcome to my first vlog of putting together my first 3D printer. So just bear with me because this is my first one. We're going to get better as we go. This is me and my baby. And this is me being so excited from getting this thing up the steps because, listen, it was just way too much going on and I was just too eager to get this home. But I just want to show y'all how my homegirl came and picked me up to take me and how she peeled out once she saw we were safe. We gotta rewind that back. Look how fast she peeled off on me. She watched us from the car pulling this thing in. Wow. Wow. It's okay. It's okay.
Wise woman.
Alright, right here I'm teaching my son about the symbol pi. And how, you know,
We are
as femininity, it goes to the left in a circle. You argue with your daddy. Anyway. Alright. This is me unboxing my baby. Now, I've had a lot of issues with this machine in the last 2 months, so I want you guys to stay tuned for part 2, which will be me actually talking in the camera, and it'll be a much shorter video. I'm going to give my pros and cons on this machine and why I'm about to move to the new bamboo machine they have. By the time my second vlog comes, baby, I will have the name of the machine. I don't know it right now, okay? I will have it. But first, let's admire my backside because it used to be flat, but baby, now it got a little fat. All right, moving on. All right, this is the inside. This is the inside. Now, when I pulled this off, I was really mad because my son had abandoned me to do this on my own. And it was so frustrating. I had to stop for a minute and go get that man. All right, as y'all seen. But, or maybe I forgot to put that in there. Anyway, I'll sneak it in the next one, in the part 2, so y'all can see when I went to get him.